Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make an easy but yet delicious breakfast casserole. So for this we are going to be needing 1 bell pepper. This is half a green bell pepper and half an orange bell pepper that I diced up into some small pieces. And you're going to be needing half an onion diced up also. And I'm using 6 eggs, and I have 1 pound of frozen hash brown that I let thawed out. And I am using some turkey sausage, but you can use any type of sausage that you wish. And I'm going to be needing some cheese. I won't tell you the amount of cheese, it depends on how cheesy you like yours, but I'm using a sharp cheddar and some mozzarella. And you'll be needing about 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk, or I'm using heavy whipping cream. And you need half a cup of sour cream. And I'm going to be using about 1 to 2 teaspoons of my Slap Your Mama seasoning. If you don't have this, you can just use salt and pepper, or just regular all-purpose seasoning will do. And of course some salt and pepper. And you're going to be needing some foil wrap, and of course a baking pan. So please check the description box where I will list everything I use in this video for you guys. So let's get cooking, guys. Okay guys, first thing we want to do is take some of that cheese and put on top of our hash brown. You guys, I apologize about my voice. I've been sick for the last week and a half, and somehow I just can't get rid of it. So I apologize for my voice, but you guys know I had to come on and make these videos for you guys. So again, excuse my voice. So now I'm going to go ahead and take my sour cream. This is one of those recipes that you can do really whatever you want to it. If you want more sour cream, you can go ahead and add more sour cream. And this is such a good recipe to make for the holidays. I like making this, especially when I have family over around the Christmas time. That way I don't have to sit there and scramble so much eggs to make breakfast for everybody. So casseroles is always a good, easy way to go. So all I'm doing is mixing everything together. Mixing the cheese and my sour cream. What's your guys's, let me know down below what you guys' favorite breakfast to make over the holidays. Like I said, this is usually my go-to, just because it's just so much more easier. We usually have a lot of people here, and I like to just make this and everybody just serve yourself. So before I get any farther, I'm going to sprinkle in my Slap Your Mama just for some seasoning. Remember guys, my Slap Your Mama is a little spicy, and it also has some salt in it as well. So just to keep that in mind when you buy it. So just mix it well, and then we're going to set it to the side. Okay, so now I'm going to set this to the side and work on my eggs. So now with the eggs, let me clean up a little bit. You guys know I don't like messes. With the eggs, all I'm doing is beating the eggs with that cream, just to make it nice and fluffy, nice and creamy. Just whip it up really, really, really good. Just like that. And now we can set it to the side and start working on our onions and sausage and bell pepper. Alright guys, now you want to go ahead and set your stove to medium high and take your sausage, and we are going to cook our sausage until it's no longer pink. But as you are cooking it, you want to make sure you are constantly trying to break it apart, because we don't want no big lumps or big chunk of sausage. So I'm gonna go ahead and brown it until it is evenly cooked. and then we can start sauteing our veggies. Again, make sure you are breaking it apart as it's cooking. Alright guys, with my stove still on medium high, I'm going to take a little bit of oil. I'm only using oil because I used that turkey sausage and it did not have a lot of fat in it. And as you can see, I am draining it over a paper towel just so I can get some of that liquid off, because we don't want a lot of liquid going into our casserole. And I left the sausage bit just because I want this to have as much flavor as possible. So now all I'm doing is sauteing my veggies. Again, I use a paper towel to drain off the liquid from my sausage. If you haven't, please go follow me on Instagram, guys, and go like my Facebook page, and also go add me on Snapchat, and also go follow me on Twitter. And please, if you are Haitian who speaks only Creole, go follow me on my other channel on here. It's a recipe channel just like this, except I make the videos in Creole. So let me say this to my fellow Haitians who don't speak English. Si nous pouvons, s'il vous plaît, si nous sommes haïtiens, nous parlons anglais, I suis moi sur page Creole moi, m'a quitté link channel ça en bas vidéo ça pour nous follow sur page Creole moi faire recette yo en Creole. So yes guys, I will leave the link for all those other social medias down in the description box for you guys to check out. So now we are just sauteing this for about 3 minutes, and that's all we need to do. And then we can start putting everything together in our casserole dish. So you want to grab a casserole dish and you want to go ahead and take your hash browns. Again, remember I did not add I did not show you guys how much salt or anything to add to this. The amount of salt you add is definitely to your own liking. So make sure you add as much or as little as you wish. So on top of this, I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle some black pepper and just press down on it. You wanna go ahead and preheat your oven to 375 degrees while you are doing this. So now I'm gonna go ahead and top this with my meat. Again, you guys, this is such a great recipe to try over the holidays. If you are hosting, just saves so much headache to prepare the breakfast for everybody. And you can also do this the night before and just toss it into the oven the morning of when your guests arrive. So now you want to go ahead and take the sauteed peppers and onions. This is such a pretty color. If you have red bell pepper, it's such a pretty color as well. So just spread it out evenly so each side gets happy. You guys, I can't wait to get my normal voice back. I couldn't even talk this weekend at all, so this is really, really good progress, I guess, even though I sound like crap, but oh well, I guess. And then now I'm going to take the egg and just spread it on top. Trust me, you guys, you have to give this a try. Nice and easy recipe. My kids love this with some cinnamon rolls. Of course, I don't eat the cinnamon rolls. At least that's what I like to think. So now you want to top it with as much or as little cheese as you like. I like cheese. And I'm going to take the mozzarella and put some on top as well. Just like this. And then now you want to go ahead and take your foil, and we are going to cover this up and put it under the oven for 15 minutes. Remember you should have preheated your oven. You should have preheated your oven to 375 degrees. So we're gonna throw it in for 15 minutes and then take it out and bake it for another 10 minutes without the foil. All right, my 15 minutes is up, and I'm going to go ahead and remove that foil, and we are going to place this back under the oven for an extra 10 minutes just so the top can get nicely golden brown. My 10 minutes is up, and I just went ahead and chopped up some green scallion, and I am just going to top it off with that. And of course we have to taste. It is so hot, so I have to be careful. First, before we do any tasting, I want to show you guys how I check to see if it's done, since they have eggs. So you want to take a knife and just poke in the center. As you can see, my knife is clean. I mean, they have the cheese to the side and some oil from my cheese and stuff, but otherwise it is pretty much cooked. If yours is not done, you want to go ahead and stick it back in the oven. You want to make sure it is done before you eat it. Again, like I said before, you can double up this recipe for the holidays. And this is what it's looking like. Nice and delicious. Oh, I can't wait to bite into this. Between my sausage and the hash brown, I just love this combination for breakfast anyways on its own. So I know I'm going to love this. This is so good, you guys. Again, please give this recipe a try over the holidays. And also, guys, I do have turkey, mashed potatoes, carrots, everything you can think of on this channel for the holidays. Make sure, if you search for those stuff, you can find it on the channel. Make sure you just search whatever you're searching for and add Lamise all to the end, so that way it will come up for you guys when you search it. But this will do it for this video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and share. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell, guys, so that way you guys can get notified when I upload. And again, share this video with everybody you know. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.